Okay, I'm going to run this handpiece. I have a W&H WA-99LT without the handpiece shell, which I'm holding in my right hand here. But I wanted to leave the shell off because I'm trying to figure out the problem with a water leak. And it seems like when I put it in the shell, it leaks water. So anyway, I'm trying to test it without the shell. And if you take a look here, you'll see these thin lines are air and water right here and lead up to the handpiece head. Give you a closer look here if this will focus in. I don't know how good this will focus in, but anyway, I'll try to hold that with my hand. I'm holding the camera with my left hand here, so kind of have to point. These two lines connect to the head. Basically, when I put this in the shell, I have to remove the head and then slide this assembled body into the base of the shell, and then the neck and the head slide into the top of the shell and connect with the other parts, the internal parts here of the handpiece. Basically the head and this intermediate shaft, which drives the head shaft gear, is separate, and inside, you can't see it, but inside this shell here, this outer cover is the input gear drive, which allows the handpiece ratio, the 1:5, to have an input at the motor of a maximum of 40,000 RPM. Multiply that by 5 and you get 200,000 RPM. With the geared reducer at the head, it's 200,000 RPM. Anyway, for some reason I'm having a problem with this leaking, so I'm testing this, and it seems to be working okay when I don't have it in the shell, so I have to find out if there's some kind of an alignment problem. Anyway, I'm going to start this up and you can see what I'm talking about. I have the motor running, it's running like it should, and when I go to turn the water spray switch on, you'll see, should be able to see the water coming out of that without leaking. Anyway, that gives you an idea of what this looks like and how it works. Of course, these parts are super tiny. Later on I can disassemble this and take pictures and give you an idea of how small the parts are, but anyway, it's something I need to figure out now and put it in the shell and see if I can get it operating again without leaking. But anyway, for some reason that shell is pushing these. It's not making full contact up here, and any little problem with alignment and you have a leaking problem. So anyway, you can see how detailed these things are. It's pretty amazing technology, good engineering.